Hi everyone, Brittney here. Welcome back to our conversational English lesson for today. Ricky has the day off and I am filling in. Today, we're going to learn conversational English you can use when ordering at American fast food restaurants. We'll talk about McDonald's, Kentucky Fried Chicken, Taco Bell, and Burger King. We'll look at breakfast, lunch, and dinner menus, plus kids' meals, mascots, and common soft drinks. Let's get started. If you visit McDonald's in the morning, you'll see the breakfast menu. Common items include Egg McMuffin, sausage biscuit, hash browns, hot cakes, breakfast burritos, coffee and orange juice. To order, you can say, "I'd like an Egg McMuffin, please," or "Can I get a coffee and a hash brown?" Later in the day, McDonald's switches to the regular menu. Popular choices include Big Mac, Quarter Pounder, chicken nuggets, French fries, chicken sandwiches. You can say, "I'd like a number one," or "Can I get the chicken sandwich meal?" McDonald's also has well-known desserts and drinks, such as apple pie milkshakes. To order, you can say, "I'd like an apple pie," or "Can I get a vanilla milkshake?" McDonald's is famous for the Happy Meal, a small meal for children. It usually includes a small hamburger, cheeseburger, or chicken nuggets, a small fries or apple slices, a drink, and a toy. The McDonald's mascot is Ronald McDonald, a friendly clown character often used in advertising. KFC is known for fried chicken. Common items include original recipe chicken, extra crispy chicken, chicken tenders, mashed potatoes, coleslaw, biscuits. Useful phrases include, "I'd like a 3-piece meal," or "Can I get chicken tenders with mashed potatoes?" The KFC mascot is Colonel Sanders, the founder of the restaurant. Taco Bell serves Mexican-style fast food. Popular items include tacos, burritos, quesadillas, nachos, crunch wrap, supreme. To order, you can say, "I'd like 3 tacos, please," or "Can I get a burrito combo?" Taco Bell's mascot has changed over the years, but one of the most famous was the Taco Bell Chihuahua, used in older advertising. Burger King is known for its flame-grilled burgers. Common items include Whopper, Double Whopper, chicken fries, onion rings, French fries. To order, you can say, "I'd like a Whopper meal," or "Can I get chicken fries and a drink?" Burger King's mascot is the King, a character with a large crown and a smiling mask. Most fast food restaurants offer a wide variety of soft drinks, including Coca-Cola, Diet Coke, Sprite, Dr. Pepper, root beer, iced tea, lemonade. You can say, "I'd like a medium Coke," or "Can I get a large iced tea?" Here are some helpful phrases you can use anywhere. For here or to go. Can I see the menu? Does this come as a meal? Can I get a drink with that? Can I have extra napkins? Fast food restaurants in the United States are quick, simple, and easy to order from once you know the basic phrases. Great job learning today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.